Hey guys, there's not gonna be any fancy intro to this video. There's, nothing. Today is February 10th, the day, and as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are going to be reacting to Beam of Prism by Viviz. This is the fastest that I have ever, no, not really, okay. I was going to say this is the fastest that I've ever reacted to a K-pop release, but technically my more and more English version reaction came out, well, I recorded it like at midnight when it dropped. So, but anyways, if you are new to my channel, you wouldn't know, but if you've been around here for a little bit, maybe like, has it been no, since like, it has almost been a year. One of my most popular videos, which I'll link in the iCard, is me reacting to Walpurgis Night because G-Friend disbanded. That video just took off, and so I have been waiting for like news. I still haven't reacted to Yuju's Play. Is that the name of her album? Oh no, it's an EP. I'm a bad fan. It's 5 songs. Oh, it's 5 songs, 15 minutes. I'll react to that some other day. But, oh, it's R&B and soul. Okay, okay, I see you, I see you. Today, like I mentioned, we're reacting to Viviz, the first mini album. It is 7 songs, 22 minutes. So let's connect to the stereo. Okay, and the reason I'm reacting to this is because I have a very long day ahead of me. I have a lot of baking to do because, long story short, my Valentine's Day sale, a lot of the orders are for tomorrow, but my aunt passed away. I know I'm saying this really chill, but I just don't want to start crying, you know. So because of that, I haven't really been in the A, right headspace, or B, like at home to like do the stuff. So since I know that I'm going to go to sleep late tonight, I want to make sure that I can diversify my music streaming. So let's start. First song is Intro. Oh, there are no lyrics. This is where the teasers come from. The album art is so pretty. Okay, that was Intro. She's cute. She's getting me really excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how excited I have been about this ever since Viviz was announced. I've been posting about it on my story nonstop. I've posted every single teaser to my story. Like, I'm so ready. I also pre-ordered this, so you'll probably see an unboxing on this video because this video is not going up for probably a very long time. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know. Next up, oh, Intro, 10 out of 10. She's cute. Like, my battery's dying. Let's hope we can make it through the next song. Bop bop. I'm so ready. Check this choreo. Music bop bop, that's right. This is so good. Oh, Jesus Christ. So that was Bop Bop, 10 out of 10. I was a little bit worried because I didn't realize what I clicked on yesterday. And I watched the review. If I say the title, you'll know who it was. It was, Viviz Bop Bop was a flop flop. And I was like, oh no. I don't want, no. And then I clicked on it because I thought it was just going to be talking about Bop Bop, but it was a review of the whole album, and I was like, damn, I don't really like this person's opinions in general, but some of their opinions are unfortunately true. But this time, they said the reverse thing was a little weird. I'll agree with them, but I'll let it slide. It's weird because this feels like, which technically, according to what they've all said, is technically true, but it feels like a subunit song. It feels like at any moment, I'm just gonna hear Yuju like screaming Bloody Mary in the background, like, thank you God, or I'm gonna hear like Soan be like, you know, but I'm not. So next up is Fiesta. Now, we know about IZ*ONE's Fiesta. Well, you don't know my opinion about IZ*ONE's Fiesta. Fiesta? I love it. But, will I love this one? Probably. Which one is the superior Fiesta? Who knows? That's a lot louder than I thought. Thank you, Danke, for writing this song. So that was Fiesta. For me, it's like a 9.5, but I'll just give it the 10. I feel like it's gonna grow on me. Well, it's already pretty attached to me. It's really good. But I'm very happy that it's not similar in any way, shape, or form to IZ*ONE's Fiesta, because then we would have had a problem. But next up is Tweet Tweet. Now, from what I have seen online, from not just the person's video that I referred to, but I've seen on Instagram just GFriend slash, how do I just, Viviz, is it Viviz? Or should I try to do it in Korean, like BVG? Viviz, it's in English. Don't come for me. But I've seen like other GFriend buddy slash, how do you say their fandom name? Is it Novice? Call me. GFriend slash Viviz accounts say that their favorite song so far has been Tweet Tweet. When I looked yesterday, when I opened the album on Apple Music, their most popular song at the time was Tweet Tweet. Now it's Bop Bop, but I'm pretty sure that that's just like because of like regular non-stans, you know? It's still number 3. But let's listen to Tweet Tweet. I have kind of high expectations, unfortunately, so I really hope that they're met. Okay. Oh, this is from the like Stan trailer. Is this from the Stan trailer? Truck? No. I have chills. Oh my God. That was Tweet Tweet. I am giving it like a 12. That was really good. You're not supposed to be here. I'll share my thoughts later when I'm not being judged. Okay. So next song is Lemonade. Are we gonna find out that Viviz has husbands that have cheated on them? Maybe. I don't know. But let's find out. I just realized isn't like wasn't there like one of what do these groups have with mentioning lemonade all of a sudden? Cause like I can't for the life of me remember which one of the like Twice songs it is, but they say lemonade. And I think in one of the ITZY songs, they also say lemonade. Is it in Swipe? Swipe, swipe, swipe. Maybe. But in one of the Twice songs, they say lemonade. I think it's in Candy.
In Candy.
What do these girlies have with saying lemonade? Okay. I have the lyrics like always. Can I understand them? Only the English bit. OMG. That was Lemonade. I'll give it a 9. I love the retro vibes, but there were just some parts that I was like a little bit okay, like we can keep going. But still a very good song. Next up is Love You Like. Not a love song, baby. Like Viviz. So let's listen. Oh, there's only 2 songs left. This one and Mirror. Is Mirror gonna be sad like ITZY's? Oh god. Is this one gonna be sad? Oh, this is the instrumental from the 2 version? Ooh, a key change! So that was Love You Like. I really liked it. I'll give it the 10 because I liked it. I liked it more than, what was the one before? Lemonade? Was that the one that came before this? Yeah. I'll give it the 10.
It was the key change one.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh my god.
It was the key change.
Love that. Oh, so good. Now the last song. Oh my god. But this time, the last song isn't sad because hopefully, I know, fingers crossed, I know for a fact we're getting more music. Because, okay, Mirror. Is this gonna be sad? Maybe not. So that was Mirror. I'll give it like a 9. So technically, if you want to look at it from a mathematic point of view, this album technically is still a 10 out of 10 with big brain maths. But anyways, so yeah, that was Beam of Prism by Viviz. Technically, like I said, it's a 10 out of 10, but realistically, it's like a 9. But regardless, I really enjoyed it. They ended the album how I like albums to like end. It's like a kind of like it feels like an ending song, like there's no other way to put it. But unlike with Walpurgis Night ended on a sad note. Like, why was the last key like bang? This one, it's like, why are you looking at me?
In hindsight, though,
I know, because it's their last song. That's what.
I know that wasn't.
You're not letting me finish. Let me speak. This is my video. With that, like what I was gonna get to is that normally I do not like endings like that. But knowing that that was G-Friend's like last, and the reason that when I reacted to it, I already knew it was their last song. I enjoyed it, but this one, it's like hopeful and full of life, and it's like it's not like this is like a one-off thing. This is like an actual group. You know what I mean? It's not like it's G Shimbi and Anna coming together to create a project. No, they're like a thing. So that reassures me. But overall, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I will be streaming the fuck out of it. I have to react to Yuju's play so that I'm not a fake stan, but I also have to react to Wien's other one, Wonho. He's coming out with a single album. I haven't reacted to Huasas or Mumbios. I still have a lot to do, but these girlies need the stream since they're technically a new girl group, even though they're veterans, but you know, just that. This is present day Wade here to unbox Beam of Prism. It's dusty from how long it's been sitting. I literally pre-ordered this the day it came out. So, well, the day the pre-orders were open. Breaking that beautiful seal. I have no idea what comes in here. I have not seen any unboxing videos of this. So we're going into this blind. Beam of Prism. These photos are beautiful. Anna. Wow. She's gorgeous. My bias, Shimby. Wow. I'm gonna have to, I might pick one of these to be my new lock screen. G. Wow. So pretty. Let's look at what it comes with. Okay, first, this card dropped. Aw, it's all of them. I'll zoom in for these. Okay. So this is the CD. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, the photo cards are in here. Oh my god. The disc is beautiful. Okay. I was gonna say, damn, no photo cards. So this is the poster. It's so glossy. Beautiful. Okay. There's a lot of cards in here. Okay. So first off, we got Shinbi. I'll zoom in. Here we got Shinbi. Then we got G. I assume this is Anna. No, we got another Shinbi. Okay, this is a unit card. Another unit card. Ooh, this is a softback. A holographic Shinbi card. That's beautiful. And then the final one is all of them. And it's kind of hollow. I didn't pull any Ona cards. My girly, I'm so sad. I'm sad, but at the same time, not really, because I am Shinbi biased. And I only pull, my only non-Shinbi pull was an G, but I would have still liked it if I got like one, you know. So, oh fuck, I fucked up the order, but you know, whatever. I'll just show all of them to you. G, Shinbi, unit, Shinbi holographic unit card. This is the CD. And then this is the big card. And just for the fun of it, this is what the album looks like. And then at the back, it has the flowers. Like, this is gorgeous. I don't know if I mentioned it in the video, so I'll mention it here just in case. I literally have to film a video reacting and unboxing other G-Friend albums because I bought all the G-Friend albums that I could get my hands on. And so, yeah, I own Song of the Sirens, Labyrinth, I think one more, and obviously Walpurgis Night, which I unboxed. So I have to do that. I also have to film a massive K-pop unboxing video again. So while I have you here, I wanted to quickly mention Summers with Wade. If you're not a subscriber, you can just skip this. But I do have plans on continuing it. It's probably going to start airing, not start airing, but like I'm gonna start, you know, uploading videos under the Summers with Wade tagline next week. I think I have a few more videos that I have to get through. My aim is by the 12th to have it, you know, fully ready. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I have to come up with some sort of storage solution for these because I have way too many. I also purchased more. I pre-ordered Wonho's Facade, ITZY's Checkmate, and Nayoung's Self-Titled. I also ordered Stacy's Run to You, well, Stacy'sYoungLove.com. I ordered Brave Girls Thank You and WJSN's Unnatural. Even though WJSN is gonna have a comeback in July, so I'm gonna just pre-order that one. I didn't pre-order aespa's Girls because I don't think I'm gonna collect aespa. Whenever Viviz has a comeback, I'm gonna buy it. So yeah. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, are you excited for Viviz music? Because I sure am. So yeah, remember that I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys whenever I see you.